will be helpful.
I'll be helpful.
I will show the love of Jesus.
I'll show the love of Jesus.
Christian, you were smiling.
Hello, blessed people. Welcome back. We're starting off early. The girls were up before me. They wake up. Sometimes they just come downstairs and get in the bed. I'm back in the book of Matthew and reading chapter 8. And this chapter talks about the leper that Jesus healed. It also talks about the centurion, and that is the man that said, Lord, all you have to do is speak the word, because I speak the word and my servants listen. So I know all you have to do is speak the word. And so I encourage you today to speak the word over your situation, because we know that life and death is in the power of the tongue. So be encouraged.
I am smart.
I am smart.
I am important.
I'm important.
I am loved by God.
I am loved by God.
I will have a good day.
I will have a good day.
I will be nice.
I'll be nice.
I will be helpful.
I'll be helpful.
I will show the love of Jesus.
I'll show the love of Jesus.
Well, what am I supposed to say, Kara? I'll be what?
I will listen.
I will listen, yes.
And I will be spit. And I will not be.
Time for us to tell mommy.
I will not be bad.
Time for us to tell mommy.
Oh, yeah, okay.
And you all gotta be good.
Thank you, because I didn't even tell you that. That's good. I'm glad you know that, Ava.
Now everyone's getting out. We managed to make it out of the house before 7:15. So of course I was feeling very accomplished. My husband is a man of few words. Bill, what do you want to say to the people?
Be encouraged.
Be encouraged.
Hi, YouTube. Thank you.
What would you like? No? Oh, the water that I thought the milk out of. You want to say something encouraging to the fathers and parents?
I dropped my 3 children off, and then I went to the grocery store just to pick up a few items that we needed before going to the car wash, because as you will be able to see shortly, I need to stay at the car wash just to keep my car clean. Now we're back home, and I call this opening up my house. I'm just letting the light in, blinds open, and just getting the day started.
Today, we are decluttering all this. I have a turnaround. Grace is helping me. She's kind of in the way right now. But I have the turning tables. I also need to clean this out, but I just have a lot of stuff in here. These are the kids' boxes. We're missing a top though. And then these are some.
This is mine right
The first ones I had. But anyway, yeah, that's yours. So yeah, we're gonna clean this out and get rid of. I think I use most of these. I just need to
I find a spot.
I just need to throw out the ones that don't have tops. And then organize it, because it's not organized. Like I just throw stuff down here. I try to put the glasses in the back so that they won't just fall out, but I haven't even been successful with that. So we're gonna try to get some order to these right now, and I'm just gonna show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all how I do that after I take everything out. So
Where did this go to?
this is actually a pancake. You're supposed to put the pancake mix in here with little sausages. We're gonna do it one day, maybe this weekend, if y'all remind me. Like little sausage sandwiches, sausage pancake sandwiches. Okay, we can go outside in a little bit. It is 12:40, so we should be done with this by 1 o'clock, and we are gonna go outside.
Look, mommy.
It's 12:40.
Really well. You can't tell.
So I think we'll be done. So yeah, we're just doing one project at a time. I need to do my pantry as well. My pantry is okay, but it can be cleaned out. Especially since there's not much in there now, so we'll be restocking that. My kids go through snacks, and then Bill had to stream last week, so like the kids were just eating all the snacks.
No, I was eating all
throughout
the snacks.
the
I took all the snacks.
Yeah, we're cleaning out. About to get my multi-surface cleaner and
I need you to get over here.
clean it out. The reason I like to wear gloves when cleaning is because my nails get so dry, like my skin, and I don't moisturize every time I wash my hands. So that's why I'm trying to wear gloves more. And I just bought some organizers, so they should be here today. It's just like a 4-pack of clear drawers, so.
These are not glass.
They should be coming today.
Anyway,
getting to it. Grace is doing a really good job. I don't know what Will's doing.
Mom, I told Grace that she need to put those in there. We're not putting the glass until we clean up the stuff. Who told you to get my gloves? Are you a girl? So why are you putting that on?
And so while Will is cleaning the bottom, he insisted on cleaning the bottom, y'all. So hopefully it's right. But I'm just going through and seeing what, this needs to be washed again. I'm just going through and seeing what I need to throw away. For the most part, we do have tops for everything. So I'm actually putting the tops on the containers. I really love the glassware, especially for food storage, meal prepping, when I have a chance to do it. Okay, so now that I'm finished, I'm just gonna make this convenient for me. So I'm gonna put all of my plasticware on the top. I'm gonna put these bowls back here because I don't use them as much. And then I'm gonna put my mixing bowls and things that I use often up here. Again, snack bowls and containers, we don't use them often, so I'm just gonna put them right here. I guess I could put my snackle box here too, because I don't use that often. And then these containers, I don't use them often, but I'll probably use them more than I use the other ones. So that's how we're gonna do that. Everything that's plastic is gonna go on top. And let me get my snackle box. Okay, yeah, and I'm just gonna put this back here. Okay, so that's the top drawer, or the top area. And now I'm gonna put my mixing bowls in the back. And just, actually I could put the containers in the back. We got this hot outfit on Christian, but it's actually a little chilly out, so I think he's fine. But we'll decided to dress him because we wanted to go for a walk, which usually I walk and they ride their bikes. Y'all come back this way, y'all too far. We're out in these streets, literally in the streets. Look at Christian. You like being outside? He's about to go to sleep. See his eyes. Christian, he was smiling. You about to go to sleep? Are you about to go to sleep, Christian? Look at his hand. Oh goodness, that's so cute. We need to start going to the park. But with Mother's Day approaching, I just want to say Happy Mother's Day to all mothers. If I forget to say it on another vlog or don't get to post another vlog before Mother's Day, Happy Mother's Day. Pray you all have a good, prosperous day. You trying to go to sleep, Christian? You trying to go to sleep? You say Happy Mother's Day too? Say Happy Mother's Day. Oh, bless you. Ooh. At least you smiling. Oh, it's okay, Christian. You can go to sleep. You can go to sleep, Christian. Oh, look at your baby. Look at that baby. I just went ahead and covered it all the way. Yeah, he's asleep now. Oh, and I also want to add one thing that really helps me through the postpartum phase is getting out of the house and walking. Or even if I'm not like, walking up and down the street, sometimes going to the store. I like to go to Target. I feel like it's a part of self-care because even though I'm with my kids right now, I still have somewhat quiet time and me time. So like I can see them, but it's still self-care, getting out of the house, taking care of yourself, just relaxing your mind. Because as mothers, we have so much on our minds from day to day. So getting out of the house definitely helps. And not shopping, because I feel like when I'm shopping, I'm trying to remember everything to get, especially if I don't write it down. But I try to write it down. But yeah. And it's obviously good for the kids because I do have homeschoolers. So yeah, we need to go to the park though. So I'm gonna try to go to the park at least once or twice a week. Now that it's warmer, we've been having like cool mornings and we've just been kind of busy. So I want to definitely take them out to the park because going to the store is good, but they need to, play. So we'll be going to the park more. We have a little park in our backyard or a little, like slide. But I'm pretty sure they would enjoy going to the park. And these are the containers that I ended up getting rid of because they either didn't have a top or a bottom. So those are the little bit that I did get rid of. And this is how the bottom look. I forgot to show that earlier. And now Grace is helping me with shredding cheese for dinner. That'll be the next video. You'll see how I made the dinner. And this is how my plate turned out. I just added some cilantro on top. Thanks so much for watching. See you all tomorrow.